Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a field repair. What happens sometimes is this will fray, or if you get a puncture in the line, you can field repair this while you're out on the trail. All you're going to need is two 19s or two 3/4 inch wrenches and a X-Acto knife or knife. What we'll do is we'll just loosen these fittings. So now that you have them broken loose, what you can do is you'll slide the collar back. It may take a little bit of force to get this collar to come back, and then you can pull out the line. You can trim the affected area wherever the split might be or the fray. Just be sure you cut it pretty straight. Then you'll reinsert the hose onto the nipple like that. Then you slide the collar back up, and then you can lock it down with your wrenches. And when tightening them, you want to tighten them till the collar stops against the brass fitting, and you're good to go.